What's the meaning of conjuring? Conjuring. Conjuring.
Conjuring. Conjuring. Conjuring refers to the act of producing magic tricks or illusions, often through sleight of hand, misdirection, or other forms of trickery. It can also refer to the summoning of spirits or supernatural beings. The result of a successful conjuring act is the creation of an illusion that appears to be real or magical, captivating the audience's imagination and creating a sense of wonder and awe. Whether it is performed for entertainment or ritualistic purposes, conjuring has the power to amaze and inspire those who witness it.